So hello again. Let's continue where we stopped last time. So we had done this hello world example. One thing I forgot to do last time is this in settings.py. In this file, you have to come here and always, whenever you create a new app that you want to use, you have to add it here. So I would say inside this installed app, you add it like this. And now we will have like two more ways of working with the URLs is by using parameters. So let's start by the first way. We call it a parameter of with the regular expression. So it's a path, and then again hello, and then after the slash I will add certain like variable, in this case s, and then it will work with it. So this URL will call this view, I would call it hello with parameter. Okay, so we will define this in that file. So here in the views.py, I will define this hello with parameters. So def hello with parameter, and it will be it takes request and it takes s. So this s comes from this URL here. Okay, and here I would say s return, like simply return, and then HTTP response, and hello. Let's put a smart string. So hello, and then s. So s would be replaced by whatever we write in the URL. So let's see how this works. Here first we will add also hello with parameter. Alright, so hello with parameter, and here I would call it hello, or name equals hello with parameter. Alright, so just give a name to this URL. So far so good. My server is already running here, and I can just like open it. So as usual, I did not define what happens if I don't add anything. So here it asks me, so you should like define hello. So you should like write hello or hello then followed by an s. So we had this hello before. So hello, it shows hello world here, and then what happens if we do hello and then we put a string? So let's say hello hello ocean. So I would say here ocean, and there you go. It shows hello ocean, and whatever you write here, it will work. So hello, I don't know, it's the A, and there you go. And then we can have another way. Like, no, this is like, we call it like parameter with the regular expression. So we can also have parameter with the URL encoding. So for that we will just use this first one. So what does the URL encoding do is that let's first define it. So I would put here s equals request. So request is the request that we have sent to the server, and then dot get, and then dot get, like this. So get is a get method of HTTP. You would know about this like later. And I mean when like get, so HTTP methods are like get, post, put, and delete. I think those are like the main ones. Anyway, get means when you ask the server to get some information from it. So anyway, I say like if I have an s in the request, give it to me. Otherwise you can just like empty, so don't like empty string. So here I try to request the s from the get method. If it exists, I will put that in this variable here s. If it does not, I will put like empty string. So here again we put a smart string, so return, and then here I would put s. So how does this work? It works like this. It works like this. So here in my server, if I had hello like this, it gives this, and then if I do if I want to do an URL encoding, I put a question mark, then s equal to whatever I want. So in this case, I could write beautiful, and this is how it works. So hello, beautiful world. All right. So this is like the URL encoding. If you want to use it, you can use it like that. So which means that you define like parameters here. S beauty for like rural word. You define them in the URL, and the other one is the like regular expression. So you define a variable here in the URL. All right, these are like the two ways of sending a parameter to a URL. Now I would like to show you something. It's